Hello, so let's start today's drawing. For that I'm going to draw one square shape over here. It can be a little bit rectangular, it's totally fine. And then I'm going to do plus sign over here. So I did a little bit drawing over here, so let's start from here. So this is my line. From here I will start, and instead of going over here I will go in the middle, and if it's going a little bit out, that's totally fine. And this is also a guideline, so try to draw light from here. And to turn this one, so I'm just trying to make a lip shape. And I will pick one dot over here, from here one dot from this side. So you can see this line is big, this line is big, and this line is small. So these two are small, these two are big. So from here I will pull up a little bit curvy, and I will start from here. It's kind of straight, or it's slightly means sad face style, but almost straight. And then I will turn this one here, turn this one here. Now for the eyes, this is the line. On the top of the line, small one here and a small one here. This one is tilted and long one. This one is also tilted and long one. And then I'm going to draw another one next to that. Make sure this one is skinny and this one is wider. This is the nose, so sad face, and then turn this one. This eye is a little bit bigger than this one. And next to this one I will take a dot over here, one dot here, and I will make a one big happy face. And this block I'm going to draw one bunny ear. This block I will do another one tilted going on right hand side. Now this line is touching over here to this line. I will start from here, and instead of going straight I will go on my right hand side and turn this one like a J, and then I will do alphabet Y upside down. Turn this one like a bowl. From here kind of like a straight line, go down, and from here I will do one curvy line. And now I will start from here, and I will do one big arch over here. Then I will go this side, kind of like alphabet V sideways, and a straight line. Now from here I am going to do straight line, and I will turn this one and make it kind of a smiley here. Now I'm going to start from here, straight line, a little bit up, make alphabet U, and I will connect this one. Now I'm going to erase this part a little bit and leave it a little bit here, and I will erase this part, and this hand will go inside here. Erase this part too. Now I'm going to connect both of them with the alphabet V. Now can draw the teeth over here, kind of like very sharp alphabet V. And I will do this one a little bit small. So this is going to be the smallest one. Slowly by slowly I will make them bigger. Now I'm going to work over here, so I will erase this one and make it lighter. So over here I'm going to draw alphabet V, and this one I will draw alphabet V, and the middle one I'm going to do this way, and I will connect over here. So kind of they are going here, so not like that. I will erase and fix a little bit over here. And then from here on the top of the line I'm just going to make it smooth, or you can say curvy. Now I will start from here and I will go one, go out a little bit. I'm comparing with my guideline, and then third one, and then fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, and this is the line. So I will just go and connect with the line here. Now I'm going to work here, so I will erase and make it lighter, this one. So this was my line. On the top of the line I will do one alphabet V, and then second one, and then third one, like that. So I got a little bit curvy, not curvy this way. I will do that. And from here to here it's the same bowl style. I will trace my line again, and it was starting from here somewhere, so I will go in little bit, out, in, out, and from here I will go just curve this one. Now this one I will go tiny bit out and in, and this was my alphabet Y here, and from here I will go out little bit. This is getting a little bit also here, tiny bit, and I will make it big here, and then I will go out. I will go again out, and I will connect over here. Now I'm going to work here, so I will erase this part and this one. So this line is straight, and after that this is from inside the skinny alphabet J, and from here another one is coming, and then another one is coming, and the fourth one will be here, and from here I will do curvy line. It's going inside a little bit. This is my line, in, out, like that, or we can start from here too. Now this side, this is going to be straight here, and after that we can do one over here, and then second one is kind of like overlapping, third one is overlapping, and from here we can do zigzag style. And then I'm going to draw the fourth one. Now I'm going to work here. Now this one we already have this alphabet V, and then again another one, and I don't want to repeat same pattern, like the same size, so I will just do some random ones over here to connect. And this side will start from here, this one will also start from here, and they will go a little bit in here. Now before I will start from here, so this is the nose. If I will do arch, this is going to be the line over here. So this is, for me, it's middle point, so I will try to do smiley here, and then turn, and then I will go this direction, and then I can, it's a little bit high for me, so let me erase and clean this area. Here I will do another one. Now I'm going to work over here, so I will erase this part. will do small one here and I will do big one. So from here I will not do anything, I will just leave like that. So I'm going to do few of them over here. So it's hard for you to connect this one, so you have to just draw one arch over here, and this line you have to pull in and then connect.